Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 46. Calculate the number of sides in a regular polygon whose one interior angle is 160 degree. A 10, B 12, C 18, and D 9. Now let's divide our page so we can have enough space for our calculation. Now we have to find the number of sides of a regular polygon. A regular polygon here simply means that what all the sides of this polygon are equal, and that is the angles of this polygon are equal. That is, each interior angle is equal to each other, and we have that one of the interior angle is 160 degree. And like you know, when you have a polygon of 4 sides, it will also have it will have 4 interior angles. And since it is a regular polygon, each of these 4 angles are equal. But now we do not know the number of sides of the regular polygon, and we know that to find the sum total of the interior angles of a regular polygon, it is given by S, which is sum total of interior angle, is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Now this n here is the sum total of of the interior angles, and n here is n is the number of sides which we are going to be looking for. N is the number of sides which we are looking for. Now we have that S, since S is the sum total of the interior angle, and we don't know the number of sides, so we say that S is equal to the number of sides multiplied by 1 of the interior angle. And like we know, we say since it is a regular polygon, the interior angles are equal, and this is equal to 160 n. So our S, sum total of the interior angle, is equals to 160 n. So therefore we see that 160 n, which is our sum total of number of sides, is equal to n is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So 160 n is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Now let's remove this bracket here. By moving this bracket, we multiply each of the content of this bracket by 180. So we have that 160 n is equal to, now n times 180 will give us 180 n, and 2 times 180 will give us will give us minus 360. That is because we have a negative sign. So 2 times 180 will give us 360. Now we are going to collect like terms. Collecting like terms in the sense that those that are alike will be on one side of the equation, and the other ones will be on the other side of the equation. Now, for us to collect like term, this 160n has to come to the right hand side to meet 180n, and this 360 here has to move here. And by doing this, what do? We subtract 160n from both sides. So we subtract 160n from both sides and add 360 to both sides. So we subtract 160n from both sides and add 360 to both sides. So we subtract 160n and add 360 to both sides. So now when we do this, we'll have that 160 n minus 160n, because we're subtracting 160n from both sides, then plus 360, because we are adding 360 to both sides now, is equal to 180n minus 160n. Remember, we're subtracting 160 from both sides. Now minus 360 plus 360. Remember, we're adding now 360 to both sides. Now, since we have 160 minus 160 here, this 160 we cancel this 160. So here we have 360 degrees, and here we have that minus 360 plus 360. This we cancel this, right? And so therefore from here we'll have that 360 is equal to what? Is equal to now 180 minus 160n. 180n minus 160n. Since I like them, we give us what? 20n. We give us 20n. So therefore, we have that what? We have that 20n is equal to 360. And now to find our n, which is the number of side, we divide both sides by 20. We divide both sides by 20. Now 20 we cancel 20 to give us n, and this 0 we cancel this 0, and 2 here will give us 1, 2 here will give us 18. So therefore our n is equal to what? 18. N is equal to 18. Now let's look at the option and select our answer. From the option, we'll see that what? C here is our answer, because C says 18. So C, 18, is the number of sides of a regular polygon whose interior angle is 160 degrees, one interior angle. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.